Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. My name is Simadu. So guys, today we will know that some tips that we can start speaking English. If you don't know even basic sentences, you don't know that how can you start your English, then I will give you some tips guys. Now I'm not a fluent speaker, and but I'm improving my English day by day, so that's why I will tell you some tips what can help you. So that's why guys, let's start. Guys, if you want to speak English, you don't know even basic sentences, then you can start in this way. What I will give you guys, you have to, first of all, you have to learn all three tenses. After learning this, then you have to learn daily use verbs and words. After learning this, you have to write some sentences. After writing the sentences, you have to translate in English. After translating that, you have to read many times. You have to read that many time again and again. When you feel that now I'm able to speak, I'm able to speak this, then you have to speak without looking in notebook. You have to, after practicing many time, then you have to speak in alone many time again and again. After practicing lots of time, then you have to take a mirror and you have to stand in front of mirror. After that, you have to speak that sentences to look in the mirror guys. After doing after doing this many time again and again, then you have to speak that sentences in front of your family, in front of your friend. So guys, I'm not saying only this way to speak English, to starting English. If you are a beginner, you don't know even basic sentences, then this video is for you only. If you know already how to speak English and you are a fluent speaker, then this video is not for you. So this video is for only for beginner, because I am also beginner, and I'm improving my English day by day, and so that's why I'm sharing that way what helped me guys. So what all tips I told you. First of all, you have to learn tenses. After that, you have to learn verbs and words, daily uses verbs and words. After that, you have to practice many time again and again. After that, you have to stand in front of mirror, and you have to say that sentences again and again. When you feel that now I can speak, then you should talk with your family, with your friend. So I think this video is helpful for you. So if you like my video, then like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.